All right, so your last homework assignments for the Mindset of a Trader course. And homework assignment number 1 is going to be go over your goals again and become aligned with them. Remember, if you only wrote out your main goals, start to break them down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how big that goal is. Little action steps and goals that you can achieve that will build up to that main goal. So that way you're not always focusing on that main goal and saying it's taking forever, but you have those little milestones that keep you focused and going towards. And after you check all those off, you will have that main goal completed. Homework assignment number 2 is going to be visualization. That's going to be practicing on just visualizing your trading setup, how it plays out. Maybe you visualize a time when it almost went against you and you were emotional, but then it played out in your favor. So that way you know your trading plan works most of the time, and that is all you need to become a profitable trader. But you also want to visualize your goals, what your future is going to look like when you become a consistent trader. How does that feel? Are you excited? All the good that's going to happen? What are you going to do with your profits? For me, I like helping people. So when I'm able to donate and help people, it feels good. And I'm able to go on adventures, travel, and go out to dinner and not have to worry and stress about every single dollar like I used to. Or sometimes I just couldn't even go. Or I was doing it on credit cards, which is not the answer, right? So visualize, spend time, just like play it out, play the success out in your head. And this is also called manifesting. And because you're able to show your mind that it's possible and what it's going to be like, your mind, your subconscious mind will start to kind of reverse engineer that into what you're working on today. And you'll start to make smart choices to get to that future that you are visualizing. So thanks again for taking the Mindset of a Trader course. We have one more video where I'm just kind of talking to you about what's next and what you should do as a trader. So again, I appreciate you taking this course, and I'll talk to you in that last video.